I know every single night I'm looking for ideas for dinner, so I thought I would share with you what I'm doing for dinner tonight, and we are doing a chicken and quinoa bowl. So pay attention, and maybe you guys can do this for dinner too. If you do decide to make it, tag me on Instagram. I want to see what you make. Organizing my spices in these jars is one of the best things I think I have ever done. I will definitely be linking the jars and the stickers on top in the description below for you guys. While I let both of those pans finish up, I'm going to get the kids' dishes out, and anytime I use these, I get so many questions on where they're from. What I love about these dishes is that they are so sturdy, but I'll leave a link in the description for you guys because they are the kids' favorite and my favorite. To construct my bowls, I'm going to start with the quinoa and just put a scoopful in each side bowl. Then I'm going to add a scoopful of the corn and black beans. I'm going to add chicken to each bowl, and then guacamole to everyone that wants it. Instead of sour cream, I'm going to do a little plain Greek yogurt. Salsa on mine and Joel's because the kids don't like salsa. I'm gonna top all of this with cilantro and a lime wedge because the kids think it's fun to squeeze their own lime. Olivia, you come and get these 4 forks. I changed my mind on the spoons. You take those over to the table. Cody, you come grab 2 bowls, please. You help dish those out. Did you take his line?
Well, we switched bowls and then I gave him my line. You don't need it. Oh!
Lady, I can see you down there. No, these are not for you. I am going to put some chips on the table for the kids. Joel and I probably won't use those, but I like getting the scoops because they think it's fun to scoop their food into the chip and then eat it with the chip. Oh, okay, Bossy's being fancy over here. Is that what you like to do?
Hard.
Yeah, they're a little bit hard. Squeeze, just squeeze. Believe me, I had a hard time with mine over there. I was one-handing it like, oh, this is cute. The way the quinoa is cooked is so flipping delicious. You can always use a lettuce wrap or you can just eat it plain.
We need to have this more often. It's healthy, balanced out with the chips.
Well, the chips are not healthy, but yes.
You said they were.
It makes me happy that you want it more often. I do have to admit, Boston, you used to hate guac, didn't you? But little by little, he's had it, and do you enjoy it now?
I used to absolutely hate guac, but now I love it.
Yeah, I don't even know what changed. We just kept offering it each dinner. I would give little bites.
What changed it, we had nachos one night, and then someone said before they left, can you put guac on it? And then I was like, is this avocado? I'm like, but then when it was smashed up and something happened, I took a chip with a bunch of guac on it because you made me eat it. And then it just tasted good, I guess.
Good.
It would be good, but I like that.
The plain Greek yogurt. Yep. Delicious. Kids love it. I love it. Dad's quiet, which means he loves it. Okay, good night, everybody.
Somebody stole it.